Sample problem. An electron is moving along an electric field. If the initial kinetic energy for the motion is greater than zero, describe the change in kinetic energy, the change in electric potential energy, the change in electric potential, and the work done. First we draw the problem. We see that the electron is moving in the same direction as the electric field. This suggests that the electric force will be pointed towards the opposite, attracted towards the positive end source of the electric field. For this case it suggests that the electron would slow down due to resistance coming from the force that is directed against the direction of the particle. So that means that the final kinetic energy will be less than the initial, then the change in kinetic energy will be less than zero and it is decreasing. For the change in potential energy we consider the conservation of energy, which shows that the sum of kinetic energies and potential energies is equal to zero as shown in equation A. Since the change in kinetic energy is decreasing, then that means the change in potential energy is greater than zero, suggesting that in increasing behavior as the negative charge draws closer. For the change in electric potential, the electric potential of this charge is moving from high to low potential, which is from the positive end to the negative end. However, we have to consider that the charge is a negative one, so that means as it draws closer to the negative end it becomes less negative according to the formula of electric potential shown in equation B. So this means that the final electric potential is greater than the initial electric potential, which means that the change in electric potential is positive and it is increasing. For the work done in moving the charge, we recall the equation of work which is shown in equation 4. Since we have established earlier that the change in electric potential is positive, then the work from the relation shown in equation 4 must then be negative. We can also use the dot product equation as shown here. We see that the force and displacement are in opposite directions, then the angle between them is 180 degrees, which results in a negative value. So again it shows that the work done in moving the negative particle electron is negative.